Hello students. So now we have in part 5 Python functions. So in last section we had done functions which take some parameters as well as return some values. So till now we have done all the three classifications of functions. Now next we were done. The next topic in the function is a function can return more than one value. Yes, Python functions have some special properties. Here, like C++ function only return one value at a time. Here, as we see here in in return, when we are going to return from this function, so only one value is returned here. C is only returned here. So can we do return C comma A comma B? A comma B. That means can we return more than one value? Yes. In Python, we can return more than one value. How? Let us see an example. So function that can return more than one values. So let us say the same case. Def add. We define a function. Name of the function is add, and parameters are A and B. And simply, uh, what we do x is equal to a plus b and y is equal to a minus b. So here we take two variables, one variable add them, one variable subtract them, and then we return. Now how we return? We return whenever we have to return more than one value, we use list. So return x comma y. So it will return in the form of list. So return x comma y. Now so this is the function body. Now what we do, we will call the function. So how I call the function now? So for this, first of all, I will use two variables. Let's say same variables. A name of the variable is same. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2. Now what I do, I will call the function add A comma B. Now uh, whenever when the values are returned here, returned from this function, so it will be received by what? It will be received by because there are two values being returned by the function, so it means to catch these values we should have two variables also. So let's say x answer comma y answer is equal to, so x answer y answer is equal to add a comma b. So because it returned two values, to catch these two values we need two variables. So the name of the variables are x answer and y answer. We can pick any name, we can choose any name, sorry. So x answer and y answer. Now we can print the x answer and y answer to check the result whether uh, both of the values are returned or not. So x answer x answer is equal to what? What is the name of the variable? X answer. And similarly, y answer y answer sorry is equal to name of the variable y answer. So this is how we can use how we can create a function which return more than one values. So before run, I will comment the previous section from there to there. Now it is ready. Now we will run and check the result. Yes, come on. Python is somewhat little heavier software. Okay. There is some error. Print x answer is equal to y answer is equal to syntax error. There is syntax. Yes. I have not seen the red balloon. So x answer is equal to x answer, comma y answer is equal to y answer. Uh, what is the problem with this code? X answer is equal to this. Okay, sorry. I have skipped the starting code. So now let us run the program. Yes. So we have passed through two arguments, two and one. So adding is 3 and subtraction is 1 minus 2 is equal to minus, sorry, 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. So yes, answers are correct. So, but here x answer is equal to 3y. Why it show y here? X answer comma y answer is equal to add a comma b. Yes, x answer is equal to 3 and y answer is equal to, so it will be separated by the commas. Y answer is equal to, okay, basically what happens, so this y is so y answer is equal to, okay, so here uh, both of the printings are carried out at the same line because only one print is there. Huh? Is it? Now if I want to print them in separate lines using only one printf, what we can do? We can insert a new line escape sequence. Now let us check the result. Yes, now x is equal to 3, y is equal to minus 1. Okay, thank you.